Welcome all. In the previous three videos, we have learned that through Boolean algebra simplification, a Boolean expression is converted to another form with less number of terms and operations because each expression corresponds to a circuit of logic gates. Simplifying an expression leads to simplifying the corresponding logic circuit. A logic circuit for the simplified Boolean expression performs the identical function with fewer logic components as compared to its original form. Now, this is the ordinary distributive law. This is the second distributive law. Both these laws are very useful in manipulating Boolean expressions. The second distributive law, here the expression a plus bc, it cannot be factored in ordinary algebra, but it is easily factored in Boolean algebra using the second distributive law. As we can see here, a plus bc is equal to product of a plus b and a plus c. This is the second distributive law. Now, if we are being asked to simplify a Boolean expression f is equal to x prime yz plus x prime, now we can assume let a is equal to x bar, assume x bar to be equal to a and yz to be equal to b. In this way, the expression can be easily simplified. We can write f is equal to a b plus a, and ab plus a will reduce to a. As we can see here, these are the very useful simplification theorems. xy plus x will be equal to x, or we can say ab plus a will be equal to a, and as we have assumed that a is equal to x bar, here we have assumed it, so we can write that f is simplified to x prime or x bar. These are all the useful, very useful simplification theorems. Or in other way, if we want to simplify a plus ab, we can see that we can take a common, so that the expression becomes a round bracket 1 plus b bracket close, and 1 plus b is always equal to 1, so expression will become f is equal to a dot 1, or we can say f is equal to a or is equal to x bar. This is how we can simplify the expression. Now we take another example to simplify z is equal to a plus b bar c plus d plus ef square bracket close, then another square bracket starts, a plus b bar c plus t plus ef whole bar square bracket close. This is the expression which we want to simplify. Now you assume that a plus b bar c is equal to, take it as x. Now let d plus ef is equal to y, assume it to be y. Now here again we are having a plus b bar c, which we have already assumed to be x, so write here as x plus, now it is t plus ef whole bar, so take it as, if we have assumed that d plus ef is y, so d plus ef bar should be assumed as y bar or y prime. Now substituting these variables, the expression becomes z is equal to x plus y into x plus y bar. Now we can easily apply second distributive law, which states that a plus b dot a plus c is equal to a plus bc. X plus y dot x plus y bar is equal to x plus y dot y bar, and this is equal to x because y dot y bar is always equal to 0. If we take y to be 0, y bar is 1 and 0 dot 1 is 0. If we take y to be 1, then y bar is 0 and 1 dot 0 is 0. So z will be equal to x, and as we have previously assumed that x is equal to a plus b bar c, so this expression is reduced to z is equal to a plus b bar c. Let me write c clearly. This equation reduces to a plus b bar c. Thank you so much.